For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Makita 36V rear handle, a tool that promises to revolutionize your power tool experience. Most cordless drills and saws just can't keep up with demanding tasks, but this one has a secret ingredient that sets it apart from the rest. First of all, let's talk about the elephant in the room: battery life. We've all been there, working on a project, only to have our trusty drill or saw die on us when we need it most. But what if I told you that this Makita XSR01PT has an incredible 4 hours of runtime on a single charge? That's right, with the included 5Ah LXD battery and rapid optimum charger, you can power through even the longest projects without interruptions. But there's more to it than just long-lasting batteries. The XSR01PT also boasts an impressive 480 Nm/lb max torque and 0 to 6,800 RPM variable speed for precision control. Whether you're driving large screws or cutting through tough wood, this thing can handle it with ease. And when the job is done, the rear handle design allows for easy storage in your toolbox. But what about durability? Can a tool that's meant to be portable really withstand harsh working conditions? I was pleasantly surprised by Makita's attention to detail. The aluminum die-cast gear case and 16mm keyless chuck are built to last, with a heavy-duty motor that can take on even the toughest tasks. Now you might be thinking, what about maintenance? Do I really need to worry about keeping this tool in top condition? Relax, with Makita's renowned 3-year warranty, you're covered for any repairs or replacements. And when it comes to cleaning and lubricating your new friend, just follow the simple guidelines provided by Makita. Let's take a closer look at some of the XSR01PT's impressive features. 36V lithium-ion battery pack, 5.0 Ah with rapid optimum charger. High-performance motor delivers efficient power and optimized battery life. Rear handle design allows for easy storage in your toolbox. Aluminum die-cast gear case and 16mm keyless chuck for durability. But before we dive deeper into the specs, let's consider one more thing. Are you tired of dealing with cords and clutter on your worksite? With this Makita XSR01PT, you can enjoy total freedom to move around and focus on your projects without any distractions. So what makes the Makita XSR01PT so special? Is it really worth the investment for professionals like yourself? We'll get into that in a minute. First, let's explore some of the real-world applications where this tool truly shines. Construction sites: say goodbye to cords and hello to efficient workflows. Home renovation projects: perfect for hanging drywall or driving large screws. Woodworking: whether you're building furniture or cutting through tough wood, this tool is up to the task. But I know what's really on your mind. Is it worth the money? Can a tool that costs almost twice as much as some other cordless drills and saws justify its price? In my honest opinion, yes. With this Makita XSR01PT, you're not just buying a power tool, you're investing in years of reliable service and hassle-free projects. Now it's time for the final verdict. Is the Makita 36V rear handle worth the hype? Based on my hands-on experience with this beast, I can confidently say that it's one of the best cordless tools out there. With its remarkable battery life, impressive torque and speed control, and durable design, you'll be hard-pressed to find a more versatile tool for any project. For professionals like yourself who demand only the best from their equipment, this Makita XSR01PT is an absolute must-have. Whether it's a construction site or your own workshop, this tool will help you stay on top of even the toughest tasks with ease and efficiency.